Missed the unboxing on this thing, which is my new cheap imported zipper saw. It's got a little guide on it that helps you do a right angle, which might come in useful in a few minutes. At the moment, I'm going to use it to cut out that notch that's going to fit around that thing right up there. See, we're going to cut a notch right on there. That's our plan. That's better. There's a lever. The blade guard gets moved. You stick it in there and you're good. Now let's cut it loose. Unboxing our new stapler. This is one of these Ryobi 1 brad nailers. If you've used one of these before, you don't need even more instructions. This gets our same Ryobi 1 battery. We put that in there. And let's get some staples. If we got like this, we bought the cheap Porter cable staples rather. And we're going to use 1.25 inches. This stuff we're working with here is about 1/2 inch. So this should be more than deep enough. The question is this here little staple gun long enough? Now it's important to think to get the pointy end to go out. It goes in here, it's going to shoot out there, so the pointy end's got to go out. Oops. It's an odd thing to happen. Not really. Well, it's trying to tell us something. Don't put all those nails in there at once. See if it'll staple something. I declare it bueno.